Hi, I'm starting to feel like a girl, how I'm always fixing myself up. But you know what? It comes with the package. If you want to look good as a girl, that's what you need to do. Nearly every 20 minutes. If you move, you wonder if everything's right. That's how I feel anyway. Send me a message if I'm full of it. Thanks for watching.